Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to fix a corrupted save file on Elden Ring. First, make sure the game is not running in the background and fully close Elden Ring before starting the process to avoid any save conflicts. Then, go to the save file location by pressing Win+R and pasting ccoln/user/yourname/appdata/roaming/Elden Ring, then press enter to open the folder. Now open the folder with long numbers inside, as this folder contains your Elden Ring save data. Pick up your save files by copying everything in the folder and pasting it somewhere safe, such as desktop, so you can restore it later if needed. Next, delete the corrupted save by removing the er0000.s12 file, which is usually in the main save file causing the issue. Also delete er0000.s12.bag if it is present, as it may also be corrupted. Now restore the Steam Cloud Save by opening Steam, going to Library and selecting Elden Ring. Start the game and allow Steam Cloud Sync when prompted so it can't download a fresh save. If the issue is still not fixed, verify the game files by right-clicking Elden Ring in Steam, opening Properties, go to Installed Files and selecting Verify Integrity of game files to fix any missing or damaged files. Thanks for watching, like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.